Hi everyone, this is the video for the mastery problem for chapter 8. It's your last part of your homework for the week. It is looking very daunting, but it's not. We've done all of it with the previous assignments. First thing you gotta do is you gotta enter in all of the employees. You're definitely going to have to make the columns wider. So that's not really a problem, so you just enter it in exactly like it's listed. So, this first part is simple. Then you're going to go into the allowances. So number of allowances, 1, 2, oops, I'm sorry, I'm looking at the wrong column. Number of allowances, 3, 4, and so forth. You'll go ahead and enter in the marital status. So married, make sure you don't do that. Make sure, there you go, married, 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 and so forth. For the earnings column, we're going to do what we did on the payroll register for problem 9. We're going to enter in the actual hours, the dollar amount. So in this case, the person worked 9 hours on Monday, so it's 40 hours a week. So if they worked 40 hours, Monday through Friday, so we have, it looks like just by 9, 8, 8, 9, 10, they've worked 40 hours. So we will take our 40 hours times the $12 an hour, gives us $480. Overtime pay, let's see, all hours worked in excess of 40 hours, Monday through Friday, are paid at 1.5 times the regular rate. The weekend hours are paid at double the regular rate. So we're going to have to do some calculations. To get overtime for Monday through Friday, we're going to take 12 times 1.5, gives us 18. So you may want to make notations to yourself. So Monday, Friday, overtime is $18. That way you don't have to remember the calculations. You can do essentially all of your overtime calculations to begin with. Saturday, Sunday, overtime is double time, so that is $24 an hour. And so then you would do that for each employee just to give you a firm basis. So let's calculate their overtime. So during the week they worked 1, 2, 3, 4 hours. So 4 times 18. So that's 72 hours. So again, jot it down somewhere, a piece of paper somewhere so you know. And then they worked 4 hours on the weekend at $24 an hour. $4 hours times $24 gives us $96 plus the 72 gives us $168 in overtime. So we're going to add that together. Again, I'm going to use Excel because there's no formulas involved. It's nice and simple. So their total is $648. Cumulative pay. So we're going to go to the total earnings. So their total earnings are $24,525 plus the $648 we just calculated gives us $25,173. 25,173. Taxable earnings, again, it's going to be the same as the total current earnings. And I just completely messed that part up. So I'm just going to enter in 648 manually. And then you would go down and calculate the taxes. The book does give you the credit union deposit. So that would go in the other column. It also tells you that each employee has $5 withheld for health insurance. Oops, I'm looking at the wrong column. So I'm just gonna get the wrong problem. So I'm just gonna take the information I just calculated. I'm gonna put it on the right form. Federal income tax, you're going to use pages 288 and 289 again for that. I'm going to copy my calculations as well, so I have those. So we're told each employee has $5 withheld for health insurance. Easy. Just enter in $5 for everybody. That makes it easier. Credit union deposit would go in the other column like it did in problem 9. And then you would calculate the taxes. And so that is something we've already done. So this top part is exactly like 4-9, except it's more employees. The bottom part down here is exactly like 4-10, where we're focusing on one specific employee. And so it does give you some extra information that you need to know. So as you start working on this, if you do have any questions, let me know. Don't forget to fill out the bottom part of part 3 using the information from part 3. Make sure the date of birth, the date hired, pay rate, and everything has been fully entered into the employee's earnings records. So, and then you will have to journalize this. The book does a great example on page 296. Basically, you're going to focus on the top journal entry. Make sure that you cover in your journal entry everything that is listed on the payroll register. So make sure you're having the federal income tax, social security tax, Medicare tax, city tax, health insurance, credit union deposit, and the total cash that's going to be paid towards the employees, which subtracts all of the taxes. So if you have any questions while you're working on it, let me know, and have a great day.